Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about how to use English in your daily life. People from various backgrounds often ask me like how to make use English, how to make use of the language in your routine conversation with the people around you and with your own circle. Unless you make use of the language on your daily usage, you wouldn't be able to get expertise, get used to the language. So here is a few tips on how to use the language on your daily occasions so as to get more and more exposure on the language so that you'll be able to use them very the eruditical manner. So to jot down this particular aspect, we can actually say like know, include, practice and get used to. To explain further into it, to know what to know, you have to know like what sort of thing you have to learn from the language using it. You have to make sure that you search for all the vocabulary, all sort of sentences which you use among the people, among your circle on a daily basis. Say for example, if you are heading towards a shop, just think in terms of terms and the objects around you. Just try to frame them in a sentence and use such vocabulary for each and every object that's stuck on your eyesight. Start from your home till you hit the shop, and as soon as you reach the shop, try to use those vocab while interacting with the shopkeeper or with the people around you. So in that way, you'll be able to get it used to most of the vocabularies which you use on a daily basis. So all these objects can actually be termed in English in order to use the language on your daily routines. So include them in your conversation with your professional and educational circle, because often your close circle or your family circle wouldn't be able to understand the point why you want to include the other language into your regular conversation. So if you are trying to implement them with a professional and the educational circle, that are absolutely going to add you a value, as well as the other person get to know that you are trying to do something hard, and definitely that will be appreciated. Practice this as a daily mantra. So make it as a regular habit in order to get used to the language. So unless you implement your daily objects, daily usage terms in specific to English, you wouldn't be able to get expertise in the language in order to use them more fluently and efficiently as such a native speaker does. So only when you try to implement them on your daily regular usage vocabulary, so you'll be able to understand the language better, you'll be able to have a lot of vocabulary, and you'll naturally master the language. So I hope this video helped you and you definitely like this video. If at all, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for new videos, share this video in order to make someone learn the language. See you. Bye bye.